No, I'm okay. How can I help you?
Jimmy.
Yeah, can I help you?
What's going on, man?
I don't know. How can I help you?
Hey, so as I was pulling up, you didn't stop at the stop sign up on Tabor.
Yeah, I did. I was there for a minute.
You didn't. Not when I was pulling up.
All right, well, what do you want to do about it?
Well, that's why I'm conducting a traffic stop.
So that's your RAS for not a complete stop?
Yes.
All right.
Is that a reason for stop? Is that your code for that?
Well, that's just California law, isn't it?
I don't know what that acronym is.
All right, then. Let's see where my license is here. Can I help you? Can you just name both name badge numbers real quick?
Yeah, we'll get that for you after this stop is conducted.
Who wants it?
I'll take it. Thank you. Is this your car, Jim?
You can run the plates.
Okay. Do you have registration insurance?
Everything should be in there.
Both of them?
Yep. Registration insurance.
Whose car is it?
It's family. You can run the plate.
Oh, I know that. It's Anderson. Is that like mom, dad, grandma?
It's family. You don't have to worry about it. I have permission to drive the vehicle.
Okay. Allstate. Any probation or parole for anybody in the car? It's a standard. Nothing. Do you have ID on you, sir?
Alright, I'm gonna ask you questions.
He doesn't have the ID. You know that.
Okay. What's your name?
Who?
I won't give that out.
He doesn't have to give that.
Give me your name.
No.
I won't give that out.
I'm the driver. That's all you're stopping, bro. You know that. All right, then.
I can ask a question.
All right, you can ask. I'm just telling you no. It's my policy. Is he's in my vehicle, he knows that my rules are he's not allowed to give up his ID. So if you want to punish me, you can punish me.
It's not a punishment.
Well, then it is what it is. I'm just letting you know he's not. He already said he's not going to give it.
Well, I just talked to him. I didn't
All right,
do that
then.
until I just started
I'll
recording.
record it, and you can see.
The same time for me, Jimmy. I don't know why, like, you gotta be so hostile. I'm not
I'm
gonna
not
give you a
hostile.
ticket.
I'm not hostile.
I'm trying to be as nice and respectful. Every
Hey.
time we've come in contact you, we've been respectful, right?
It is. No.
Right?
Hey, I understand.
I have a job to do.
I'm
right?
just trying to enforce on the way I know how things are, and
And
that's why I'm asking you. Hey, what's your reason to stop me?
100%.
I'm glad you told me before I had to get my ID.
100%.
That's the proper way to do it.
100%.
Anything else today?
That's it, man. You're free to go.
All right. Have a
Drive
good day.
safe. Yeah, you're welcome.
Have a good day.
Let's begin by answering the important question. Are passengers required to identify during a traffic stop? Well, law enforcement officers will attempt to intimidate or deceive passengers into providing their identification during a routine traffic stop. In Supreme Court case Stufflebeam v. Harris, it was near the end of a traffic stop in May 2003. Arkansas State Police Officer Harris asked the passenger Richard Stufflebeam to identify himself. When Stufflebeam reportedly refused, he was arrested for obstruction. Stufflebeam claimed he was arrested without probable cause in a violation of his Fourth Amendment rights. The district court ruled in favor of Officer Harris, but Stufflebeam appealed, and it was reversed. The Eighth Circuit Court of Appeals reaffirmed the principle established in previous court rulings that passengers in a vehicle enjoy Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable searches and seizures, and that passengers are not obligated to provide identification absent reasonable suspicion that they are not involved in criminal activity. Keep this case in mind the next time you're a passenger during a traffic stop. Let's continue.
Sir,
Hey, how's it going, man?
GPS, if you got stop, sir, what's your speed?
Speed?
Yes, sir. You have your driver license?
Sure. How fast was I going?
75, sir.
75, ready? Okay.
Yeah. Is there an emergency, sir, or anything like that?
Is that an emergency?
Yeah.
Where?
No, I'm asking you that if you have an emergency or anything like that.
Do I have an emergency?
And vehicle insurance, Mr.
Can you verify it with the tag?
With the tag?
Yeah, I have it on my email.
On your email?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let me check. I can check for you.
Okay. If you cannot verify it, I'll.
For the insurance?
Yeah.
Okay. It is insured, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. And the kids back here, they're yours, sir?
That's irrelevant to the stop, man.
Give me a chance. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
You've never had a Texas driver license or anything like
Have
that?
I want to answer questions, man.
Yeah, but you ever got your Texas driver license?
I want to answer questions.
Okay, give me a chance. I'll be right back.
All right, man.
Mr. Rincon, Estrada Rincon, right?
Yes, sir.
The vehicle is under.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, that's not your middle name or anything like that, right?
No, it's not.
Okay. And do you have your social security number?
Yes, I do.
Alright. All right, sir. Could you write it there for me?
What?
The Social Security.
Oh, no, I don't need to provide that information.
You need to provide that information.
I don't need to provide that information.
Okay. Are you a U.S. citizen?
I don't answer
know
questions now.
Okay.
Is this an immigration checkpoint
resident or anything like that? You're like a resident?
Is it like an immigration checkpoint or?
No, I'm trying to check if you
immigration
have a
stop?
Texas driver license or identification. Because you could also, be a resident and stuff like that.
Okay.
So,
Is it an immigration stop?
Because I'm looking at your card here, and that's why I'm inquiring about it.
Okay.
'Cause it is going to be a citation for speeding,
Okay.
sir.
Go ahead and issue
So
the citation.
we put as much information on there,
Okay.
so it could identify you. You know what I mean?
Okay.
All right.
Got it.
Give me a chance. I'll be right back. Sir, how old are your kids?
I want to answer
You said
questions.
they're kids, right?
I want to answer questions.
Okay.
That's irrelevant to the stop, man.
No, it's because safety seats are important.
Okay.
Before crashes.
Okay.
You know, you might not agree with me, but I'm it's for public safety. So
Okay.
if you get in a crash, kids might be injured.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
All right, sir. The child in the back, she looks too young. Okay.
She looks too young.
Yeah, for a safety. She needs a safety seat.
Okay.
All right. And I know you don't want to identify your child, or if she's your child, okay.
Do they
That's
need
fine.
identification?
So
or-
for that, I'm sorry.
Do they need identification
Who?
or the children?
No. Well, I was asking you. I wasn't asking for identification.
All right.
So it's gonna be a citation also for the child's safety. All right.
Okay.
So if you don't want to tell me the age of the child, you can let the judge know.
Okay.
It's gonna be Danny Dominguez here in Webb County. The information is provided there by signing. It's not admission of guilt, but you've been informed of the judge information. You can just sign there for me, please.
Where's that? Here?
That's correct. You'll get a copy, don't worry.
Okay.
And your Mexican driver license? You'll be safe, sir.
Thank you.
So let's answer another important question. Are you required to give your social security number to law enforcement officers? Please be aware that you are not required to provide your social security number to police officers during a routine traffic stop. You should be mindful of potential risks associated with disclosing sensitive information to law enforcement officers. Obviously, your social security number is a valuable piece of personal data that can be exploited if they fall into the wrong hands. By exercising caution and discretion during your interaction with police officers, individuals can protect their privacy and safeguard their personal information from unauthorized access or misuse. Also, cops pressuring individuals during a traffic stop to disclose the identity of their children in the back seat can create unnecessary tension and discomfort for the family. Keep in mind, the identity of passengers, including their children, is irrelevant to the purpose of the traffic stop unless there is a specific safety concern or suspicion of criminal activity. Let's continue.
Hey, look, if you don't step out, I'm gonna have to. You're hindering government.
No, I'm not. I got the information you asking for.
By all means.
No, I got the info. No, I just had y'all tased me for nothing a week ago. I don't trust y'all. I'm not getting out the car. No, ain't no way.
All right,
No, I got what you looking for. No, I don't have to roll my window down. That's not against the law. No, it's not. I got you. I'm giving you what you need. Everything you need is right here. I do not have. I'm giving you everything.
Just give me everything.
I got everything.
Give it to me. Is it in your name?
Yeah, this car in my girlfriend's name? Everything here.
In your name.
It don't have to be in my name to drive a car. I know my rights.
Let me see everything. You don't get it. You're hindering government operation.
No, I ain't. I gave you everything you asked for. The insurance and the car. And I got somebody here and everything that's going on.
Fine. I mean,
I don't trust y'all. I don't trust y'all. I do not trust y'all. I gave you everything that's to their car.
it doesn't matter.
It do matter.
No, it don't.
I don't have to get out my car. I know my rights. No, I don't.
Get out and talk to me.
I don't. I'm talking to you right here.
You don't have a tag, sir.
There go the tag information. I just bought the car. I got 21 days to get a tag.
No, you got 10.
I got 21 days.
You got 10 business days.
And that equals 21 days. So do it say 10 days on there?
Who's the owner of the car?
The name on the paperwork you got.
Do you have her number so I can call her?
She stay up here. You see the address?
I said you
I don't know. I don't have a number.
don't have a
No, I don't have to have a number to drive a car.
drive up to her address because it says Alexander Wynn.
No, you can't read. It say Alexia Win.
Alexia Wynn. Okay. At 20th Street Northeast.
That's my address. Look Look at the license.
Everything's saying 20th Street Northeast.
That's my address. Look at my license.
I don't need to look right.
Well, you know, you just trying to be smart, but
Sir, I'm not trying to be.
yes, you is. You got all the information you need, insurance and everything.
No,
I don't have to have. You don't have to talk to her for me to drive this car.
I gotta make sure that.
No, if it's stolen, it'll be in your computer.
No, not
This a
necessarily.
well, that ain't my problem. Can I get all my paperwork back?
Not yet, sir. I'm not finished with the stop. I'm sorry.
Y'all harassing me. I need your number, your car number, and everything.
My name is Deputy Hammond.
Okay, can you write it down? I ain't gonna remember. My memory bad.
Videoing it.
Okay.
Okay, you're videoing it
Why do you need her to?
because you don't have a tag on.
There go the information right there, and it's my address. That's my girlfriend.
Okay.
It don't have to match.
It does.
No, it don't.
These are little clues that would go off of.
No, the car. You know the car ain't stolen. Come on, come on with it.
Hold on just a second. All right, Mr. Powell, listen to me. I'm going to explain this to you, okay? Here's the thing. I am going to let you go. The car's not in your name. You're not on the paperwork. The address might be the same, but it's one of those right there. Do you understand why I'm asking you this?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. You have a good day.
You too.
Now, this last clip, I know a lot of people have questions about. Are you as a driver or a passenger required to exit the vehicle during a traffic stop when an officer requests you to do so? The answer is yes, you do. I know Mr. Powell stated he had rights to remain in the vehicle and was fortunate enough to do so. However, in the United States, police officers have authority to order the driver out of the vehicle during a traffic stop. A Supreme Court case decided in 1977, Pennsylvania v. Mims ruled that police officers may, as a matter of course, order the driver of a lawfully stopped vehicle to exit the car. The court held that this action is justified by concerns for officers' safety. Unfortunately, the stark reality is once an individual exits the vehicle, it's the individual's safety that significantly decreases. And for passengers, Supreme Court case Maryland v. Wilson in 1997 held that officers may also order passengers out of a lawfully stopped vehicle. But that's going to do it for this video. Much love to these awesome creators. Again, make sure you use the links in the description to go check out their channels and show them some love. If you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you won't miss the next episode. And if you made it this far, thank you so much. You're the real CT3 fam. And without you, there's no CT3. Remember, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. And until next time, peace.